Hi, M&M results are due on 6th of August and let us know what is expected out of the numbers this time in Q1 FY22 results. So this time, out of the all auto companies that have already come up with their numbers or whose results are due, I could say one thing, that from M&M, the analysts are expecting the least quantum of decline when it comes to the quarter-on-quarter degrowth. In the reports that I was reading through, they have highlighted multiple factors and have taken into consideration for their estimates. Let me quickly highlight them for you. Firstly is the kind of volume recovery that M&M has seen, because overall the volumes were up 96% on a YoY basis, but they were down just around 8% on a quarterly comparison. Along with that, this time in Q1, the product mix has improved for the company because the tractor contribution in the overall sales has improved and the tractor sales were actually above the expectation this time. And talking about their other segment, which is the automobile segment, there the SUV and the pickup saw a very good recovery and the demand is intact over them. But not to mention that yes, the supply chain constraints still persist and impact the production and the sales figure for the company. Along with that, this time the favorable product mix and the price hike taken by the company, both of these factors should aid the margins, and as a result of it, the realizations are expected to be up 12% on a YoY basis. Now let me highlight the numbers for you. So this time the revenues are expected to be up 120% on a YoY basis and the expectation is at 12,250 crores. While talking of EBITDA, that is expected to be up from 573 crores last year to this time as 1691 crores. That's a jump of 195% on a YoY basis. The margins are expected at 13.8%. Yes, that's up from the numbers that were reported last year. But along with this, that is just 1% decline on a quarterly comparison. And lastly, in the bottom line, the growth could be around 23 times, but not to be very taken as very positive, because that's because of a low base. And the profit number is expected at 897 crores. Along with that, apart from the numbers, we'll be watching out for what is the timeline for the new product launches, because some of the products for M&M like the XUV 700 and a few others are keenly awaited by the market. So we will be watching out for what is the exact date if the management comes up with one. Also, what is the growth outlook in the times ahead, and most importantly, what is the chip shortage situation at the company, because they were expecting the situation to ease around the July month, but yet again this issue is escalating. And lastly, what is the update on their capital allocation? So these factors will be on our radar. We'll be watching out for that, apart from the headline numbers where the bottom line and the revenue growth is expected to be quite robust by the analysts. And lastly, let me quickly tell you what are the brokerages expecting. So now if you see the stock is trading around 762 rupees of level, then Nomura is expecting giving a buy rating on the stock with a target price of 1085, where Credit Suisse maintains an outperform rating with a target price of 110, while Jefferies is bearish on the stock with an underperform rating with a target price of 625. So all eyes on M&M.